Segma Device Overview. Segma is the unique metal detecting device with its special performance and clear results. Advanced technologies provide the smart pulse and spectrum analyzer systems the ability to detect gold, metals, and cavities for depths of up to 8 meters by easily set configuration to get highly accurate and guaranteed results. Device parts. The device case contains the following: main unit, 5-inch color display, battery compartment and battery pack inside the main unit grip, grip key, charging port, headphone jack, connection module. Upper pull contains user armrest, main unit holder, pull expanding latch. Lower pull contains connector for the surge coil and pull, plastic bolt and nut to hold the surge coil, car charger, headphones, multi-function system connector, charging adapter, plastic bolt and nut, surge coils. The following coils are available for this device: surge coil C1, 18 cm by 18 cm, featuring a small profile with lightweight and providing the required accuracy for detecting tiny target, thus the best surge tool for long tracking sessions. Surge coil C2, 35 cm by 35 cm. The ideal surge coil for medium-sized target on different ranges, whether the targets are deep or close to the ground surface, without a loss in signal integrity or sensitivity. Surge coil C3, 40 cm by 45 cm. The deep tool for the device, with its rectangular shape, covers more surge area for large and deep targets. Device assembly. Partially loosen the nut on the main unit holder on the upper pull. Insert the main unit in the holder and tighten the fasteners securely. Unlatch the lock at the end of the upper pull. Insert the lower pull into it and extend it to the required length, then lock the latch back in. Insert the surge coil in the connector at the end of the lower coil and fasten the bolt there. Insert the connection module into multi-function system connector at the front of the main unit. Wrap the surge coil cable around the pole. Insert the connection module into multi-function system connector. Unlatch the lock to fix the surge coil position to be aligned with the main unit and lock it back again. Tips before initiating the surge. 1. Selecting the suitable location for the surge system. System is suitable for most of the locations as long as they are free of high voltage lines, electromagnetic waves, and metal waste. The scan system works best with flat ground surfaces. 2. Keep a 10 to 15 centimeters clearance distance between the bottom of the imaging scanner